There today I'm going to show you how to bleed in Illustrator. For this you have to make a document. As you can see, I am changing the units for points to millimeter, and the bleed size should be in 3 millimeter, and the chain should be clipped in. Then hit create document. As you can see, the red border is hair. This is called the bleed, and in a picture you are dragging hair that should not go beyond the border. That means beyond the bleed, obviously. So I have made a picture and I'm going to hit drag it down to it and attaching with the bleed, because I have already made another border black. You can see I don't want this black border to go beyond the bleed. Okay, then hit save. Adobe PDF, you have to save it, and you may rename it like greetings card. Hit save, and the Adobe PDF preset Illustrator default to high quality or PDFX. Save PDF and hit OK. Then before sending anyone for print, you have to check once again as the bleed is working with it OK or not. Okay, for this you have to reopen the file which you have saved. See, okay, now it makes the difference. The green border is making a bleed. The difference between this and that. This is how you can make a bleed. Thank you.